Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the card balance and details so you don't waste time. Once done, keep the physical card handy and screenshot the balance. Make sure the card type is supported at KFC and that any PIN is available. Next, choose how you'll order: counter, drive-through, self-service kiosk, or the KFC app, because the process differs slightly. Now walk to the register or open the app and be ready to present or enter the card number. You place the order with the total visible so you know how much to charge to the gift card. If using the app or kiosk, enter the gift card number and PIN when prompted and watch the authorization. If at the counter or drive-through, hand the card to the cashier and tell them to charge it. Once the card is accepted, the system will deduct the amount. Make sure to keep the receipt showing the remaining balance for any later use. You finish by confirming the transaction total and collecting your receipt, which shows any remaining balance. Once done, use that balance later. If the balance is insufficient, split the bill. Tell the cashier to run the gift card first and then pay the difference with a second card or cash. If the card is declined, make sure the number and PIN are entered correctly and ask the cashier to retry. If problems persist, call the gift card.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.